Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can access and use OpenAI Playground. First, open a web browser on your laptop or desktop and search for chat.openai.com. This will lead you to the usual ChatGPT site where you can ask to create prompts, essay, and so on. Now, if you want to go to OpenAI Playground, just search for platform.openai.com/playground. It will redirect you to this page where on the left side of your screen, you can see that OpenAI Playground will allow you to enter an instruction or select a preset and watch the API respond with a completion that attempts to match the context or pattern you provided. On the right side of your screen, you can see that you can change the presets such as the mode and the model. So in the model, you can choose from different models available such as Text DaVinci 003, Text Curie 001, Text Babbage 001, and so on. Once you scroll your mouse over the name, a description of the model will appear. This will help you choose the perfect model that will give you the prompt that you wish to have. You can also change the temperature, which controls randomness. As written here, remember that as the temperature reaches 0 or approaches 0, the model will become deterministic and repetitive. Moreover, you can change the maximum length or choose to stop sequences and so on. Playground indeed has different features just like ChatGPT, so make sure to take your time to explore all of these so you get to use the website efficiently and properly. Once you're done editing or choosing the mode, model, temperature, and so on, you can now write what you want Playground to produce. For example, you want to write a tagline for a clothing shop. Now, to see if you've reached your usage limit, you can go to upgrade by pressing the upgrade button at the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see here different options such as payment method, usage, and so on. When your free trial usage is over, you now have to set up a paid account. That's all for this video, and if this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.